Hi guys, welcome to my channel Viju Rajput, and I have brought one more important and interesting video, that is uh, powder shampoo. How to powder shampoo means, yeah, we are traveling anywhere and we are very urgent in a hurry burry. We got to any parties immediately. They create any arranged immediate party. We have to get ready. So that time what have to do? That time we cannot do, right? That means nuts means antwala kai and sige kai. We cannot soak it in that on spot. We cannot. We need that overnight to soak it, that one. So immediately we have to get ready to wash, and we don't want to use the shampoos with added a lot of chemicals. So that time what we have to do means, I have brought this immediate to get ready. So I have brought here, see, sikekai powder, antwala powder, nuts powder. We can tell nuts. We can call the nuts. And this one is, this one is amla powder. And this one is which powder, you know? If you guys have any idea? Bhringraj powder is very good for health, which I have brought these powders from Granthige shop, which we call in Kannada. In Kannada, we call the Granthige shop, where powders will easily available, where kumkum, arshan, those things are available. That shop we call Granthige shop in Kannada, not Canada, which will comes in United States. No. Kannada means it comes in one of the oldest language in India. So in Kannada, we will call it naturally Granthige shop. So we can call one more the stationery. Stationery shop too. Stationery too, which books and all available. It's okay, fine. Make it correct. Sometime I'll do mistakes. Of course, we are human. We are as usual will do mistakes. And I'll come to the point which I have brought for you. And see, I have brought you to more understand to you guys. See, this one is sikekai. This is sikekai natural, which we soak it in the overnight. This sikekai powder is this one. And to understand this antwala nuts, what we call antwala to nuts, it gives shampoo flavor, which I have told in last video. So this powder is this one. And amla powder means we all are know amla is very good for hair. We Indians almost all everybody know amla is very good for hair. And Bhringraj also is a very good source to grow our hairs, Bhringraj. And one more I have brought here. So same as it is fenugreek seeds. So fenugreek seeds powder is not available. So we have to make powder in a home. How means, we have to roast this one and first we have to roast this one, and we need to make the powder. This one also will add it, means it good for hairs, and two it gives antwala and antwala nuts, the nuts powder and fenugreek powder. This both is very important role they're making to give shampoo consistent. So what we have to do for these four powders, we have to mix up. We have to mix in the one bowl, and we need to keep in dry area. We have to keep in dry area. Whenever we are going to take a hair bath, so immediately you have to mix up these four powders, and you have to scrub your hair. And one more thing, these things who immediately get ready, immediately we have to and we are traveling somewhere other place, we are traveling to our native or trip. In that time we don't have that soak it home system, which I have showed in last video. So in this time it gives you more helpful to you guys. And how, I'll show you. Yes, these three we have to mix. See, I have mixed in this bottle. You can see I have mixed all powders in this bottle. And whenever I'll go to take a head bath, so I'll take the powders, how much quantity I want to my hair. So that much quantity I'll take, the 3, 4, 5 spoons, as much long your hairs you have. So mine is long hair. I'll do these things in my two hair. I won't use any shampoo. Yeah, for me, I'll use this shampoo. Means, of course, God, the dandruff, I cannot. It's very tough to remove dandruff. For dandruff, yeah, for we have facing for dandruff. There is for Ramabana. Ramabana means there is a permanent solution for this. In this, which I'll show in these ingredients, we have to use one ingredients. You guess which ingredients that one? You guys guess which ingredients that one? Only one ingredient I have showed many times when it comes to hair shampoos. I have showed that ingredients many times. Please do guess and do comment in my comment section. Definitely end of this video I'll tell you that which ingredient that for you will use weekly 2 days dandruff will gone. Why should I be do suspense? I'll show you that ingredients which was the ingredients for facing natural way how to remove our dandruff in our hair, how to remove our dandruff. Of course, for a few people where they're facing the dandruff, they are along with dandruff, they'll face a lot of pimple in my their faces. Even I'll face the issue when I'll got dandruff in my hair. Means I'll face the issue that I'll get lot of pimple on my face. Of course, guys, how much hair and our especially for face skin, how we'll take a lot of care. How takes we will take care of so many things we'll do to take care of skins. Is comes pimple means how okay pimples comes fine, but it comes mark. It won't go. It takes a lot of time. Along with we did something, we touched a pimple means it became a pouts. Oh, along pimple is not an easy task. Pimple came means along with there is a lot of side effects. I don't want to kill your time, and I'll show you which is the ingredients. Fenugreek seeds. Yes, fenugreek seeds for dandruff. Soak it in only fenugreek. You have facing of are you facing the dandruff? Soak it in overnight. Soak it in the overnight. The 4 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in overnight, and make it grind. Only fenugreek seeds. Don't add anything at all. And your hair should be dry. Don't are you applied oil or oil something is wash your hair. You should be in dry hair. In dry hair, you have to apply. One by one, open the how you apply. You have to scrap. You have to take the scrap, and in that you have to apply. And leave it for 1 hour or 2 hours. Leave it for 1 hour 2 hours and wash your hair. Weekly 2 days you would have done. Within 2 weeks you will get the result. Within 1 week, within 1 wash you will get the difference of what you were facing earlier, the dandruff, and how reduced was dandruff. But again I'm repeating the thing. In fenugreek seeds you have to soak it in overnight, and early morning how you wake up, make a grind and make a paste and apply in your hair. Apply in your hair, and leave 1 hour or 2 hours. Just leave it for 1 hour or 2 hours. Leave it on 2 hours and wash your hair. Within one wash you will get a lot of difference. You want permanent. You don't want to face any one single dandruff in your hair. Means as I said, we use it like a weekly 2 times. Use it like 2 weeks, and you will see the changes. Hope you guys liked my video. Liked my video means please do subscribe, share and comment. Please motivate me how you guys liked my video, how I come to know you are sharing my video and you are subscribing and giving comment. Means show in this way your love, and please keep supporting to Viju Rajput. I'll be doing like the same kind of videos, so important, and hope you guys liked. Please do like and share. Thank you guys. Be safe.